Welcome, folks. Ever wondered how hackers sneak into Wi-Fi networks like they own the place? Today, we're diving into some sneaky Wi-Fi hacking techniques, but don't worry. This is not gonna make you a villain. It's more like a how not to get hacked guide. Grab your popcorn and let's outsmart the bad guys together without getting arrested. Starting with first technique, which is by phishing. Now you might be wondering, wait, what? But how phishing? You have the right to be curious. Now basically, phishing is a technique where a hacker can trick someone into revealing their Wi-Fi password by pretending to be a trusted entity. In the context of Wi-Fi hacking, phishing often involves creating a fake login page that looks just like a legitimate one, tricking users into entering their credentials. This involves following steps. Step 1. Creating a fake login page. The hacker creates a fake Wi-Fi login page that looks exactly like the real one. This could be the page you normally see when you first connect to a public Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Deauthentication attack. To increase the chances of the victim entering their credentials, the hacker might use a deauthentication attack to disconnect them from the real Wi-Fi network. This forces the user to reconnect and see the fake login page. Step 3. Tricking the user into entering their password. When the user tries to reconnect to the Wi-Fi, they are presented with the fake login page. Believing it's the legitimate page, the user enters their Wi-Fi password. The fake page captures the entered password and sends it to the hacker, giving them access to the Wi-Fi network. Coming to the second technique we are going to discuss is by using a tool called Reaver. So now the question arises, how does this tool work? Reaver targets routers that have WPS enabled. WPS is designed to make it easy to connect devices to the network by using a PIN number instead of a password. Reaver uses a brute force method to guess the BPS PIN. Since the PIN is only 8 digits, there are only 11,000 possible combinations to try, because the last digit is a checksum. Reaver systematically tries all possible combinations until it finds the correct PIN. Once the correct WPS PIN is found, Reaver extracts the WPA/WPA2 password from the router. This gives the hacker full access to the Wi-Fi network. Even if a strong WPA2 password is used, Reaver can bypass it by attacking the WPS feature, which is often overlooked by users when securing their networks. Jumping to last, but one of the most effective technique, which is evil twin attack. The hacker uses a device like a laptop or a specialized router to create a fake Wi-Fi network. They give it the same name, SSID, as the real network, like coffee shop Wi-Fi. Sometimes they even increase the signal strength to make their fake network more attractive to connect to. When users in the area see a strong signal from coffee shop Wi-Fi, they connect to it, thinking it's the real network. Once connected to the fake network, all the user's internet traffic goes through the hacker's device. This means the hacker can see everything the user is doing. Websites they visit, login credentials, personal information, etc.